about 12,000 hectares of vineyards growing in Stellenbosch, which makes it very, very big, which means that it's incredibly diverse, which means for a consumer, it's quite a difficult place to understand the wines that are coming out of Stellenbosch. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this course. And one of the things that we do on the tours that we do around Stellenbosch is to highlight and show you some of the differences in the terroir, and thus the differences in the wine from these different areas. A lot of other regions that you go to in the world, you get pretty much a uniform character of wine throughout that area. So for example, if you go to Bordeaux in France and you're in the Medoc, you're going to know the style of wine that's going to come from there. If you're in the Côte d'Azur and the Côte d'Aron, you're going to know the style of wine that comes from there. If you go to Stellenbosch, depending on where you are, you're going to get a very different style of wine. And so it does make a difference. You know, if you've got a Shiraz growing in one area and a Shiraz growing in another area, they both say Stellenbosch on the label, but they might be completely different styles of wine. And as a consumer, it's quite difficult to understand. And so what you have to do to understand Stellenbosch properly is understand that Stellenbosch is a district within the coastal region of the Western Cape. But within Stellenbosch itself, you've got many different wards. And those wards are based on the microclimates and soil types that you would find in those areas. And